In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change chart types on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone Creator platform. Once you are inside the platform, open the chart that you want to change. This can be any active chart you are currently using for analysis. After the chart is open on your screen, move your cursor anywhere over the chart area and right-click. This will open the context menu for that chart. In this menu, look for the option labeled Chart Type. Place your cursor over that option to reveal the available chart styles. You will now see several chart type choices. These may include candlesticks, bars, line, or dots. Click on the chart type you want to use. As soon as you make your selection, the platform will update the chart to match that display style. Give the chart a moment to refresh if needed. Once the new chart type appears, take a quick look to make sure the display has updated correctly. This helps confirm that the selected view has been applied successfully. If you want to compare different chart styles, you can repeat the same process. Right-click on the chart again, hover over chart type, and choose another option. This can help you find the view that works best for your trading or analysis style. After selecting the chart type that fits your needs, continue using the chart as normal. Review the layout and make sure the information is clear and easy to read. If necessary, you can make additional chart adjustments afterward to better match your preferences. Before you finish, verify one more time that the chart type you selected is still active and displaying properly. This final check helps ensure that everything is set the way you want it. Changing chart types in Pepperstone Creator is a quick process. Once you know where to find the setting, open the chart, right-click, go to Chart Type, and select the style you want to use. Repeat the steps anytime you want to test a different view or switch back to another format. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.